Enjoy your life more with these tinnitus tips and tricks. Tinnitus, or the sensation of ringing or humming noises in the ear, can be distracting and distressing. It commonly occurs in older persons and is often accompanied by hearing loss. There are many causes and possible treatments for this condition, so getting a correct diagnosis is important. This video will offer some tips about dealing with tinnitus. Reducing your stress levels can be all that it takes to get rid of tinnitus. High levels of stress can cause a variety of different medical conditions, with tinnitus being one of them. So, controlling your levels of stress can also reduce or get rid of chronic ringing in your ears. If you have trouble falling asleep because of ringing in your ears caused by tinnitus, run a standing fan in your room. It can make a huge difference. The white noise drowns out tinnitus symptoms and can help you fall asleep quickly. Stop and listen to your home to see what white noise you hear, then use it to help you to cover up the sounds in your ears due to tinnitus. For example, in your room, open the window to see if there's sounds outside that will cover over the ringing in your ears. Keep calm. Tinnitus is not always related to a major health problem, so calm down so that you do not add stress to your troubles. Worrying will only make you focus more on the tinnitus, which will seem to make it worse. Stay calm and relax so that it is easier to think of other things. It is important to not give up on your tinnitus treatment if it does not seem to be working at first. This is a complex condition that affects a delicate organ of your body. Some treatments can take a while before you start to notice the benefits. Be patient, and give your body some time to heal itself. Help your friends and family to understand what tinnitus is and how it affects you. Let them know what the condition is, what your symptoms feel like, and why certain situations are difficult for you. They will be better equipped to support you if they understand what you are going through and what they can do to help. Tinnitus is a common condition which is usually not dangerous, but proper diagnosis is necessary to rule out potentially serious causes and map out a course of treatment. Even though tinnitus is often uncomfortable, steps can be taken to help manage it. The tips in the above video should help increase your understanding of this condition. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.